Hello gorgeous, and today I want to show you how to create this kind of sweet makeup look. So it will be really simple makeup tutorial. For this makeup I used my new NYX Wear by It palette. I started this makeup using this dark beige color and just blend it really well. Then I use this kind of rose gold eyeshadow and apply it all over my lid. I like to add juicy colors to make my makeup look more bright. And just blend it really well. You know, I love blending. So then I mix two colors that we used in the beginning and just add it to my lower lashes. Then I use black color from this palette and draw this some kind of eyeliner, but it's not, it's like blended eyeshadow. And the only thing that's left is your mascara. So you're ready! Do you like this kind of short videos, or maybe you like my long videos more and they are better for you? Because I really need to know to make my content better for you. And if you do, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye and have a nice day. Like them.